Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this It's Time filter on TikTok. So if you want to join It's Time trend and looking for this filter, then this is very difficult to find in search. So what you can do, okay, let me try the filter. Okay, once you try, then you will see the glass effect. Okay, this is the effect. To get this on, what you can do, go to For You page and time filter. Okay, here look for these kind of videos. As you can see on the bottom left corner of the video, the effect name is there, it's in yellow. Just tap there and you'll be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you can see use this effect. You tap there and use the effect. Okay, suppose you are not finding the filter like this from the For You page, you can go to my profile, and in my profile check my latest videos. Okay guys, if you want to join, okay, here you can see this video. Go to the effect icon and you can use the filter from here. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this It's Time filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.